What if you could simplify your content strategy so dramatically that every piece you produce consistently attracts and engages your ideal customers? Today, I'll show you exactly how to easily put the Reach 10X formula into practice to boost your content marketing results. Hi again, I'm Kim Albee from Campaign Coach. In our first two videos, we explored why now is the perfect time to enhance your content and the 3 powerful shifts needed to make your content consistently effective. Today, we'll focus on how easily you can start implementing the Reach 10X formula by clearly answering 3 essential questions that change everything. First, clarity matters. Simply ask yourself, what exactly do I sell? This may seem obvious, but clearly defining your offering in simple, straightforward terms sets the foundation for everything else. Being precise here ensures your messaging is always clear and compelling. Think about what makes your product or service a premium in the eyes of your ideal customers. Consider if it's not, you're on a fast track to the bottom as a commodity. Next, ask, who exactly do I sell it to? Identify your ideal customer with absolute clarity. Don't settle for generic profiles. Truly understanding your ideal customer's challenges, desires, and goals sets you up to create content that's irresistible. Finally, answer this. What are the biggest benefits your customer gets from your product or service? Clearly communicating the powerful outcomes your customers achieve through your offerings ensures every piece of your content connects deeply and directly. Remember, benefits are not features. Challenge yourself to put yourself in your ideal customer's shoes. What has changed in their life for the better from using your product or service? If you need to ask them, do that to find out. Now let's acknowledge something important. Answering these 3 questions thoroughly is not as straightforward as it seems. But remember Fran Rosario from Fit Golf Performance Centers? As Fran discovered, the same issue is true for you. The more complete and detailed your answers, the better insights you'll gain into your ideal customers. It was the key that unlocked the recipe for success Fit Golf is now experiencing. And that's what I want for you too. Answering these 3 questions will allow you to activate your expertise and focus your expertise on what truly matters most to your ideal customers. Now stay on the video to the end, and I'm going to show you an easy way to get this done really thoroughly for you. Remember, the Reach 10X formula is revenue equals attention times conversations times help. And when you clearly define your product, know your ideal customer, and clarify your benefits, you can get the deep insights into your ideal customer that allows you to easily attract attention from the right people, consistently engage in meaningful conversations, and genuinely help your audience, turning interest into leads and sales. Once you have those insights, your expertise is automatically activated. Your point of view is invoked. With the Reach 10X formula, we leverage AI to activate and focus your expertise and point of view. Let me quickly show you the Campaign Coach app in action. Watch how the deep insights generated automatically will invoke your expertise. You can't look at them without agreeing, disagreeing, or wanting to change them. You can edit them and add your insights and point of view based on your expertise and understanding. And then when you're ready, approve them. See, look at, edit, and approve. Just 3 to 5 of them. You'll have hundreds, but we're talking 3 to 5. And you've started your path to precision content and better results. Our momentum content process works by using your expertise, laser focused on a specific insight about your ideal customer, to guide AI and eliminate the blank page syndrome. Speak to the specific insight for about 10 minutes. Now you've infused your expertise and point of view about a challenge, motivation, or question specific to your ideal customer. And once you've done this, you're ready to create the momentum content directly from your expertise, which makes editing, approving, and publishing straightforward and efficient. Or you can always hand it off to a teammate for execution and implementation. Instead of spending 10 or more hours a week stressed out about content creation and ideation and what are you going to do, imagine effortlessly producing focused, compelling content in just 3 to 4 hours total. That's less than half the time with double the quality and engagement. Ready to simplify this process even further? We've made it easy. Just visit our complimentary online tool at campaigncoach.ai dial-it-in. Our chatbot guides you to thoroughly and clearly answer these essential questions, providing you with the definitions and descriptions that are the keys to unlocking the Reach 10X formula for yourself. With the Campaign Coach app and the Reach 10X formula, we've transformed how you can dial into the deep insights you need so your content can hit the mark. What used to take months now takes only minutes. You're on the road to having a crystal clear foundation for content that consistently generates leads. In our next video, you'll see exactly how you can fully implement this streamlined AI-leveraged content system in your business. So stay tuned, because you're not going to want to miss this part. Seriously, you want these results. I'll see you in the next video.